নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, উপেন্দ্ৰ ইউটিউব চেনেললৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আহিছোঁ আপোনালোকলৈ অন্য এটা ভিডিঅ' লৈ উপস্থিত হৈছোঁ। ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰাৰ আগতে আপোনালোকলৈ অনুৰোধ, যিবোৰ ফ্ৰেণ্ড পোনপ্ৰথমবাৰৰ কাৰণে মোৰ চেনেলটো ভিজিট কৰিছে তেওঁলোকে যাতে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব, লগতে ন'টিফিকেশ্যন আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰি অল কৰি দিব, যাতে ভৱিষ্যতে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ভিডিঅ'বিলাক আপোনালোকে ডাইৰেক্টলি পাই থাকে। বৰ্তমান ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। বন্ধুসকল, আজি যোনটো ভিডিঅ' হয়, ভিডিঅ'টোত মই লৈ আহিছোঁ ডাইৰেক্টৰ অফ হেল্থ ছাৰ্ভিচ ফেমিলি ৱেলফেয়াৰৰ গ্ৰেড 4 যোনটো ছেকেণ্ড ফেজৰ এক্সামছৰ যোনটো প্ৰশ্নকাকতৰ আনচাৰ কি লৈ আপোনালোকৰ আগত আহিছোঁ। চ' মই আপোনালোকক আনচাৰ কিবিলাক কৰি যাম আৰু ভৱিষ্যতে নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'ত আপোনালোকক ভালদৰে বুজাব চেষ্টা কৰিম। জাষ্ট আপোনালোকে আনচাৰ কিবিলাক চেক কৰি ল'ব। যে ইয়াত ফাৰ্ষ্ট কুৱেশ্যন দিয়া আছে, হু লিড দ্য ৰাজপুত ইন দ্য বেটেল অফ হালদিয়াঘাট। হালদিয়াঘাট যুদ্ধত ৰাজপুতক কোনে নেতৃত্ব দিছিল? আনচাৰটো হৈছে ৰাণা প্ৰতাপ। চিটো হ'ব। আপোনালোকে ইয়াত যিহেতু ব্লেক পিনে গোল কৰা আছে চাই ল'ব পাৰিব। ছেকেণ্ড কুৱেশ্যন কৈছে, হু ফৰ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট টাইম ডিছকভাৰ দ্য টাইম টেকেন বাই এনি পেণ্ডুলাম ফৰ ইটছ এক্সেক্টলি দ্য ছেম। ইয়াৰ আনচাৰটো হ'ব গেলিলিঅ', যোনটো অপশ্যন চিটো হ'ব ইয়াৰ ৰাইট আনচাৰ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন আনচাৰ, হোৱাট ইজ দ্য লৱাৰ হাউচ অফ ইণ্ডিয়ান পাৰ্লিয়ামেণ্ট ন'ন এজ? লৱাৰ হাউচ অফ ইণ্ডিয়ান পাৰ্লিয়ামেণ্টৰ হাউচটোক কোৱা হয় লোকসভা। অপশ্যন এটো কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰ। যিহেতু আপাৰ হাউচটো ৰাজ্যসভা হয়। হুইচ দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট ওমেন কনকুৱাৰ মাউণ্ট এভাৰেষ্ট? ইয়াৰ যোনটো আনচাৰ হ'ব আনচাৰটো হ'ব ডি হ'ব, জুংকো টাইবে। আৰু চিটো হ'ব চিটো হৈছে ইন হুইচ ষ্টেট অফ ইণ্ডিয়া ইজ টেৰী ডেম চিটুৱেটেড? ভাৰতৰ কোন প্ৰদেশত টেৰী বান্ধ অৱস্থিত? আনচাৰটো হ'ব উত্তৰাখণ্ড। অপশ্যন এটো কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰ। নেক্সট কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 6টো হৈছে, হোৱাট ইজ ইউনিয়ন জেক্স? ইউনিয়ন জেক্স ইজ এ নেশ্যনেল ফ্লেগছ অফ ইউকে, ব্ৰিটেইনৰ ৰাষ্ট্ৰীয় পতাকা। অপশ্যন বিটো ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰ। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 7, ইন হুইচ কণ্টিনেণ্ট ইজ ইউক্ৰেইন চিটুৱেটেড? ইউক্ৰেইন কোনখন মহাদেশত অৱস্থিত? ইয়াৰ ৰাইট আনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন এ, ইউৰোপত। কুৱেশ্যন 8 হৈছে, ইন হুইচ কাণ্ট্ৰি ন'ন এজ ককপিটছ অফ ইউৰো? আনচাৰটো হ'ব ইয়াৰ অপশ্যন চি, বেলজিয়াম। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 9 হৈছে, হু ৰোড দ্য বুকছ অফ জংগল বুক? ইয়াৰ যোনটো আনচাৰ হ'ব ৰুডিয়াৰ্ড কিপলিং। অপশ্যন বি টু ইয়াৰ ৰাইট আনচাৰ। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 10, হু ছেইড জয় জৱান জয় কিষাণ জয় বিজ্ঞান? ইয়াৰ আনচাৰটো হ'ব অপশ্যন বি, অটল বিহাৰী বাজপেয়ী। ইয়াৰ কাৰেক্ট আনচাৰটো হ'ব। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 11টো হৈছে, 11টো হৈছে, হু এমং দ্য ফ্ল'য়িং ৱাজ ৱৰ্ল্ড ফেমাছ মিউজিচিয়ান? তলত কোনজন পৃথিৱীৰ বিখ্যাত সংগীতজ্ঞ আছিল? অপশ্যনটো হ'ব ডি, নন্দলাল ব'ছ। Question number 12, what was the nickname of atom bombs drops on Nagasaki? Here right answer hobo B, little boy. Question number 13, what is the capital of Ecuador? Here right answer to hobo Quito. Here option hobo A. What is the currency of Japan? Japanor mudra ki? Here option hobo B, yen. Question number 15, Magyars are inhabitants of which country? Right answer to option B, Hungary. And next into question number 16, which planet of solar system is nearest to the sun? Your answer to option C, Mercury. Which of the following is the highest peaks of Karakoram range? Your option to B, K2, Godwin Austen. Question number 18, which is the following is the world's largest desert? Option A hoba right answer, Sahara. Question number 19, which river is also known as Yellow River? Answer to hoba question A, answer to hoba A, Huanghu. Question number 20, the Prime Minister of India is appointed by the President of India. D hoba right answer. Next question number 21, who among the following is not a cricket player? Option to hoba option B, Prakash Padukone. Question number 22, which country lies on the eastern border of Manipur? Right answer hobo D, Myanmar. And question number 23, the topic of cancer passes through the which of the following state? The right answer is Mizoram. Option to hobo D. Question number 24, what is the capital of Bihar? Option to hobo C, Patna. Question number 25, what is the name of the first artificial satellite of India? Option to hobo A, Aryabhat. Next question number 26. In which ocean is Mariana Trench located? Option to have D, Pacific Ocean. Which place is known as the Scotland of East? Your answer to option C, Ceylon. Question number 8. Where is the Sea of Tranquilities? Your option to D, Moon. Which of the largest lake on the world? Your option to C, Caspian Sea. 30. Who directed the film of Satran's Khiladi? Option is A, Satyajit Roy. Next, 31. Museum of formerly known as Prince of Wales Museum. Answer to option B, Mumbai. 32. What is the new name of Calicut city? The option is C, Kozhikode. And question 33. Which the Indian leader was born in Porabandar? The option is A, Mahatma Gandhi. Which Indian city is known as Pink City? The option is B, Jaipur. Question number 35. Lisbon is the capital of which country? The option is D, Portugal. And option number 30 question. Where was the Napoleon exist after he was defeated in Battle of Waterloo? The option is C, Saint Helena. Question number 37. Which of the following is the International Labour Day? Which of the following is the International Labour Day? The option is A, 1st May. Which of the following is associated with table tennis? The option is B, Davis Cup. Question number 39. Which of the following is not the Assamese cinema? Which of the one is the following first Assamese? Answer is Jaimati, option A. Question number 40. Which of the following is not a tributary of river Brahmaputra? Option is D, Kushi. Question number 41. Aladdin is the well-known character of which of the following books? Option A is the right answer, Arabian Nights. 42. Who created the famous Mona Lisa painting? The option is D, Leonardo da Vinci. Question number 43. Manu Wakam Airport is situated which state? Is it Chennai? Option A is the right answer. Question number 44. Which of the following is not a multipurpose river project in northern India? The option is D. 45. Who among the following is known as Haryana Hurricane? The option is C, Kapil Dev. Question number 46. What is the currency of United States of America? The option is C, dollar. 47. The trade name Kiwi is associated with. Option C is the right answer, shoe police. Question number 48. The Paramveer Chakra is the highest award for. Option A is the right answer, bravery. Question number 49. Prakash Parikon is associated with which of the following sport? The option is C, badminton. Question number 50. Which of the following is situated in Chhattisgarh? The option is A, Raipur. Question number 51. Which of the following is the four conductor of electricity? Answer is C, graphite. The blood pigment hemoglobin is present in the. Option is D, red blood cells. Question number 53. Ginger is a stem. The option is A. What is the SI unit of time? The option is B, second. Question number 55. Which electricity passes through a thin wire? When electricity passes through a thin wire, the wire became. The option is D, hot. Question number 56. Liver secrete. The option is D, vials. Question number 57. What is scurvy? The option is C, a disease due to vitamin C deficiency. Question number 58. What is the largest organ of human body? The option is A, skin. Question number 59. Concave lens always produce. The option is D, real image. Question number 60. Contract is opacity in the lens of the eyes. The option is C. Question number 61. Which of the following gases present in highest concentration in air? The option is B, nitrogen. 1 light year means the option A, the distance travel light in 1 year. Question number 63. Bats are mammals. The option is B. 64. All of the following are herbivores except. Option is jackals. The option is D. Question number 65. Red blood cells are from. The option is B, bone marrow. Question number 66. Which of the following disease is not a waterborne disease? The option is C, influenza. Question number 67. Which of the following is the purest form of water? The option is B, rainwater. Question number 68. What is the other name of vitamin C? The option is called C, ascorbic acid. 69. Which drug is used for treat malaria? The option is B, quinine. Question number 70. Which of the following is the female reproductive cell? Option is C, it is ovum. Question number 71. The synonym of loyal is option B, faithful. Question number 72. The antonym of abundant is scarce. The answer option is C. Question number 73. People who live in glass house should not throw. The option is B, stones. Question number 74. What is the opposite gender of tiger? The opposite gender of tiger is tigress. The option is D. Question number 75. What is the past tense of lie? The past tense of lie is lay. Question number 76. The seem to be inserted dress, psychology. That means answer is C, in. What is the flair from a batsman? The option is B. 78. What is the superlative of far? The option is C, forest. 79. Complete idioms. Fool somebody's. The option is B, lake. Question number 80. What is the adverb of cool? The option is C, coolly. 81. Rama or Hari must lend his hand. The option is A is the right answer. Question number 82. What is the past tense of burn? The option is D. Question 83. The Pacific is than any other ocean. The option is B, bigger. Question number 84. Source the word in correct spelling. The option is B. B is the right answer. Question number 85. Leniency from option given below. Correct meaning. The option is C. C is the right answer. Question number 86. Cleanliness is next to option D, godliness. 87. What is a young one of goose called? The option is B, gosling. Question number 88. You will have to pull dress together. Option C is the right answer, yourself. Question number 89. As that as do. That is B is the right answer. Question number 90. Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Option A is the right answer. Question number 91. It is the maths part. 91 junto answer hobo, that is option A is the right answer. 92 right answer, that is option B is the right answer. 93 junto right answer hobo option D. 94 junto right answer hobo option C. 95 junto right answer hobo option B. और 96 junto right answer hobo মই ডিটেইলস কিনে আপোনালোকক পিছৰ ভিডিওটো ভালকে বুজাই দিম কেনেকৈ আনসাৰ কিটা যেহেতু ওলোৱা হয় বৰ্তমান মই আনসাৰ কি কিটাহে আপোনালোকক জনাই আছো 96 junto right answer hobo এটা option D. 97 junto right answer hobo option C. 98 junto right answer hobo option D. 99 junto right answer hobo option C. junto 480 আৰু 100 junto right answer hobo এটা option B. আৰু বন্ধুসকল হেকলৈ আপোনালোকক জনাও হৈছে যদি ভিডিওটো আপোনালোকৰ কাৰণে যদি হেল্পফুল হৈছে বুলি ভাবে আপোনালোকে প্লিজ চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব লগতে নোটিফিকেশন আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰিব যাতে এনে ধৰণৰ ভিডিওবিলাক আপোনালোকে ভৱিষ্যতে পাই থাকে সো বন্ধুসকল আজিলৈকে ইমানে নেক্সট ভিডিওটো লৈ আহিম সম্পূৰ্ণ সলভ মেথডবিলাক লৈ আজিলৈকে ধন্যবাদ